Oh no. How did this come in here? I have no idea. Anyways, guys, today you will see us father and son make a dish that contains beef and is spicy. But Dad,
Yes,
what is the name of the dish?
beef masala. Really is fantastic beef masala.
Nice.
Please, guys, follow my recipe, and I really need your comments.
In the comment section below, over there, yeah, down there.
Let's start with the ingredients.
Yeah.
The ingredients for the beef roast: diced beef fresh curry leaves, green chilies, garlic, ginger, small onion is a very important item for making beef, small piece of lemon, chopped tomato, small diced coconut, fresh coconut, red chili powder, whole garam masala powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, mixed whole garam masalas, crushed black pepper, fresh coconut oil, and finally salt. Now I will show you how to make a very perfect beef roast. First, heat the pressure cooker because I'm using pressure cooker for cooking beef. First, then add 2 spoon of coconut oil, then ginger, garlic, and green chili. Saute. So I need to saute until light brown color. Then I will remove half the quantity of the ginger, garlic, green chili for final finishing the beef. After 1 minute, you have see that the color of the ginger, garlic, green chili light brown color. Remove half the quantity like this. Alright. Then add whole garam masalas, fresh curry leaves. Again saute around 30 seconds. Slice small onion. Then saute the onion light brown color. Then add all dry masalas, turmeric powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, whole garam masala powder, crushed black pepper powder. Then again mix it very well. Then add chopped tomato. Again mix around 1 minute. Then add the diced beef. Again mix it very well. Then squeeze the lemon juice. Finally add salt. Again mix it very well. Another 1 minute. Then cover the pressure cooker with the lid. Put a whistle. I need to wait another 4 whistles. Now I will show you how the beef look like. So almost 4 whistles finished. Now I'm going to open the pressure cooker lid. Wow, nice. Actually, this is exactly I'm looking for. The beef is not completely cooked, around 60% is cooked. Right? The next step, heat the iron kadai, then add around 2 spoons of coconut oil. So actually I prefer to use coconut oil. Coconut oil will give you more flavor of the beef. Then add diced coconut. Saute around 2 minutes. Yes, the coconut pieces almost light brown color. Then I have to add whole red chili. Again saute 10 seconds. Then you have to add the cooked beef. You have to cook until it gets dry. Dear friend, this is an optional. If you really require a gravy with the beef, this is the right time to take out. And if you really want properly dry beef, you have to keep cooking until another 50 minutes to get a proper dry beef. I think we need to cook another 10 more minutes. Almost getting dry. And finally our beef ready. So now I'll show you the final finishing of beef. Guys, remember that I already fried ginger, garlic, green chili in the beginning. So this is the item. Now I'm going to add this item into the dried beef. Okay, these are the items. Just roll together, mix it very well and cook another 1 minute only. Don't overcook again. Like this. After 1 minute, our dried beef ready. Thank you.
Moment we all been waiting for, the tasting time. So let's get ready with tasting.
I'm ready always.
Oh, okay.
Come on, let's start with.
Oh my goodness, this is. Oh, I'm hyped.
Look.
So let me have this piece over here. I'll give a close up of it.
Closer try with that.
Very nice.
Look, nice color.
The time has come.
Mmm.
Mm.
Mmm. Very nice. Yeah. Actually, I expecting exactly the same quality of beef.
You know what, Dad? If you ask me to rate out of 10, the number I will rate is definitely 11 out of 10. That is possible in maths, you don't know? Type it in Google, you will find it. So I give it 11 out of 10, Dad. I'm pretty sure that should be rated. And you too can give us a comment in the comment section below. Give us out of 10 a rating. We'll just see about it and we'll make another video on it. Now, thank you for watching this video. You saw us taste this food and so can you. You didn't know? You can make it yourself like how we showed you. So make it yourself and you try it out and tell us in the comment section below. And we will give you a reply. We'll see you guys later.
Enjoy, baby.
But make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel and share to all your friends and family members so they can feel kind of mouth watering. Then we will see you guys in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.